So I've been using this microphone for everything. It's a Shure SM57, and I have two of them, and I use them to mic my cajon, my guitar, and my guitar amp. It does everything I need, but I have one complaint. If I'm micing my cajon and I use one up close, it just sounds thuddy. And so a lot of that detail gets lost. A lot of that brush texture in the high end kind of disappears with these things. You can hear more texture on the iPhone mic, it's just far away. And if I add some EQ and effects to the 57, it sort of helps, but it's decent at best. And so I wanted a mic that would pick up that crisp brush texture in the cajon. I don't know if you can hear that. And so I asked Reddit, like, what's a good mic to fix that? And I was met with a lot of different options, but one stood out the most. This is the Silver 12 cardioid microphone made by 12 gauge microphones. It's from a shop in Vermont that makes microphones out of old shotgun shells, which is nice, pretty sick. It's $75, which is on the low end for microphones, so I figured it was worth getting and see if it would solve my problem and pick up that high end that I've been missing. Alright, this is the 12 gauge. So after listening back, I'm not planning to replace my Shure SM57 with the 12 gauge. Instead, I'm going to use them together. The 12 gauge does capture that texture I've been looking for, while the 57 captures those accented beats, those louder hits. I'm still figuring out the best placement, but the 57 sits low on this one, so it's capturing that bass drum hit, as well as the accents of the brush. And the 12 gauge is aimed higher, right at the brushes, so it picks up all that texture. From now on, I'm using both of these mics on my guitar amp as well. And in the mix, I'm using the iPhone audio to get that room noise so it glues it all together. So for $75, this thing solved my problem, and I'd say it's totally worth it. This is not a sponsored video. It's more like just an endorsement for a cool idea and a product that solved my problem. Is it good enough? If you want one, it's linked below. I don't get any kickback or any of that, so check them out. 12 gauge microphones, 10 out of 10. Good enough. See you on the next one.